creamy coffee cream. Dip it into chocolate all the way. Perfect. Let's remove the excess of chocolate and leave it on the side to solidify. Once your chocolate is solidified, let's really carefully remove the balloon. Perfect. And here you have a beautiful pumpkin-shaped chocolate shell. I'm gonna heat up a knife, not too much, you don't need it to. And when it's hot, you're gonna use your knife to create a face inside. And once you have your little pumpkin right here, we're going to fill it. So here we have a pumpkin spice cake, beautiful and moist cake that we're gonna put inside our jack-o'-lantern. So we're gonna have a really nice balance of a moist and really delicious cake and a really creamy coffee cream. A second layer of this beautiful cake. Perfect. Once you have your cream, just sprinkle a little bit of pumpkin spice. And here I have Jolly Rancher in hot water, so you're gonna want they're soft enough, just remove them from the hot water and really carefully, ooh, this is hot, careful, you will be able to take them and straight them like that, and with anything you have round enough, you can roll it like this to create a nice shape like that.